Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
This is going to be a haul, Sarojini Nagar haul. I bought these clothes way back, like during lockdown. I didn't shoot any video back then.
Wait a minute! I bought these clothes way back, like
During lockdown. But then I thought, why not shoot it now? I'll do a fresh Sarojini haul super soon. Just subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated. Let's start the haul. My first clothes which I bought from Sarojini is this denim jacket itself. It was of something 300. I bargained it good and got it in 150 rupees, which is all because of my bargaining skills. Now next, I'll show you this t-shirt which I bought from Sarojini. It is a casual t-shirt you can wear at home. You see a photo here. I just leave it here, a video or photo. So yeah, this is a very good one actually. It doesn't seem like it is from Sarojini. Also, you won't find it inside the market. You'll find it after around the area where the market ends from the another.
What?
If you guys have been to Sarojini Nagar, then you are getting it. I was so good at bargaining, even at fixed price stalls, that I received it for 150, even though it was for 250. Next, this white top. You'll see a picture. This one is pretty good sale. I remember I bought it for 100 rupees and it was also a fixed price top, and so I could not bargain much because come on, this is worth 100 rupees at least. Now my next top, I don't wear it much because it is, if you see, it is kind of broad from here and I don't like such loose tops. It was for 250, which I guess again is a good price for this color. Next is a very super pretty dress which I bought. I mean, I'm saying it to be super pretty because you won't find such stuff easily in Sarojini. You will have to dig it out. So this dress, it has this vintage touch on collars and also on shoulders. If you see here in the video, you'll find it. It is a full sleeve, but it's summer wear because it's super light and also transparent. It comes with a spaghetti kinda inside and attached skirt. I bought this in price. You won't even be able to guess it.
Okay.
250. So next is this blazer, black blazer, which again is very cheap. It has pockets. Pockets are good. It has a pocket inside. It looks formal. It is good to go whenever you are going for interviews or even otherwise if you guys are doing some fashion stuff, mixing up clothes. I bought this blazer for 100 rupees, which is super cheap in this quality. Next, I have a winter collection which I bought from Sarojini Nagar. I'll show you. Ye sweater. Is this not pretty? The color and everything. This is the latest thing, the last thing which I bought from Sarojini, and it's so pretty. You can see in the video. Is it not? I bought it for 100 rupees. 100 rupees. You know, there's a trick to bargain while you're bargaining in Sarojini Nagar. What you have to do is look like, I say look very interested, सब देख लो ये सब कुछ, बट देन ऑल्सो उसके बाद तुम ऐसे शो करो जैसे नेक्स्ट शॉप पे उससे बेटर तुम्हें दिख रहा है एंड यूर लाइक कि नहीं भैया इससे सस्ते में तो हम पीछे छोड़कर आए हैं, कि नहीं भैया इससे सस्ते में तो आगे मिल रहा है। सुपर टिप, प्रज्ञा का ज्ञान, डू नॉट फॉरगेट दिस।
काम धंधा नहीं कर रही हूँ।
Next is also a winter clothing. This is pretty fine. I did not wear it अभी तक, पर I liked इसके neck पे जो design है, I am loving it. Also, it has full sleeves, of course, and the color is good. It can go with black jeans or leggings, which I bought. I bought this for 50 rupees only. Why to even leave it on shop जब तुम्हें इतने सस्ते में मिल रहा है? तुम्हें पता है तुम उसे कभी नहीं पहनोगे, तो तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारी मम्मी तुम्हें डांटेंगी कि क्यों लेते हो ऐसे कपड़ों, भरे पड़े हैं जी। सिर्फ 50 रुपए की चीज कौन छोड़ता है? नेक्स्ट आई शो यू ए हैंड बैग जो अभी मम्मी लेके चली गई है मार्केट व्हाइल आई वाज शूटिंग दिस वीडियो। ब्लैक कलर हैंड बैग, स्लिंग, एक्चुअली इट इज अ स्लिंग नॉट अ हैंड बैग। सो this is the one. It is very pretty. It is a steal deal. I bought it for 250 and the shopkeeper was not ready to bargain at all. I love these. I don't usually wear, and these are not very comfortable either for walking for long distance, but back when I bought these, it was this kind of studs were in trend, so I love these. I bought it for I guess around 150. Next, these sandals are too good to be left. I have a broad feet, that's why I don't wear it much. Also these straps give me a shoe bite, a bad one. So I can wear it for a day and at some place जहाँ पे मुझे ज़्यादा चलना ना पड़े. Like these are good as a show and not for पूरा दिन या फिर किसी shopping के लिए या फिर traveling purpose. For me, for someone who has a broad feet. So this is the last product. That's all for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will post more fitness content, shopping hauls and everything, mostly everything related to vlogging, lifestyle and all that you people would love to see. Also, do not forget to comment below कि कैसा लगा ये सरोजनी haul and do you guys want more such hauls from Sarojini, from Lajpat Nagar or someplace else. So keep commenting.
Let it bang, bang.